Right, only way I can tension this is like that. Let's have a look. Where's my little the horrible ones I don't like using because they've got horrible handles on. Let's pull all of these out. Ah, I didn't type anything. Go away. Right, key go out of there. So we've got a false set. Pin 5, pin 4, pin 3. One, 2, 3 is all the way down nearly. You can see it's on a halfway false set there. Let's give this a quick try with the ball. And that's what happens. Jumps out. As soon as you release any tension, it jumps out. You can't fit it in that way around, Peter. So pin 1 and 2 are fine. Number 3 is really sticking up. In order to get these to move, I've got a feeling I'm going to have to take the tension off them pins, which requires me pushing it back a little bit. As soon as I do this, it's obviously going to drop a couple of pins, which is like that. And then it gets stuck again. Oops. Right, now let's work it. I'll try and catch pin 3. As soon as I lift the pressure off, I mean the core's moved, but it's just in a false set. It's stuck. No matter what I do, it's not going to move. The reason why I moved there is because it slipped out of the keyway a bit. Snake. Wrong way up. Trying to get it to bounce, you see. It won't move. Cancel it. Break. Just try and get in gently. Right, just before, you see it drops the pick as soon as I get that, the tension bar, as soon as I get to that point. As That's how I managed to do it last time. Basically I go in and I say S5, 4, 3. 3's got a little bit of play on it. 5's got a little bit, 4's got a little bit, 3's got more. God, I'm going to turn all those alerts off. So we've got 1 which is stuck, 2 which is stuck, 3 which is springy. But 3 being springy has just released number 5 and number 4. Now, see if we can hold 3 down and then rig it again. There it goes, unlocked. Just going to make sure it's turned around a little bit. Finally, but it requires me to know what the lock is.